Hello everyone, my name's Robin Beals and I'm absolutely delighted to invite you to our virtual summit on the 14th and 15th of October later on this year. The current COVID-19 pandemic has certainly taught us how to collaborate more effectively, as well as remotely, using online-based technology. We aim to take advantage of this paradigm shift and utilise some really exciting production-based technology to deliver a highly entertaining summit to you later in the year. Screen-in-screen technology, interactive participant engagement, as well as virtual whiteboarding are just some of the many technologies that we will be showcasing during those sessions, some of which we're showing in this video today. Most importantly, we want to use this platform to help you understand some of the key technology trends that you can use to improve your own productivity and efficiency within your own businesses. As we get back to work, or indeed continue to work in this current hybrid mode, leveraging technology as well as digitalization is going to be critical to your success. This is something that I personally expect will become part of the new norm as we move forward. Outside of the technology, we'll be discussing key drivers, trends, and industry shifts that might affect you, our customers, in both the built environment as well as in manufacturing. This is particularly relevant right now in the AEC market, where the digitalization of the built environment, building information modeling, or BIM, is moving at a pace, and new standards such as ISO 19650 Part 5 for security evolving quicker now than ever. We'll also be covering our engagement with the UK BIM Alliance, the CDBB, and Building Smart, as well as our Managing Director's role in supporting the upskilling and certification programme to the UK built environment, which we're very passionate about at Man & Machine. On the manufacturing side, you can look forward to learning more about Industry 4.0 and developments in customisation, mass automation, digitisation. Understanding the impact on industry and how you can leverage these enhancements is a key driver behind the summit. More details on the summit can be found on our website. Go ahead and register your interest. We will publish the individual hands-on as well as the executive-led session agendas within the next few weeks. We look forward to engaging with you in those sessions collaboratively, and I look forward to seeing you there.